Hey guys, how are you? I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So let's get started. So today our topic radio tiles that we used. I previously add a video how we can use a radio tile in our project. So the smartly way I told you how can we use another way radio tile or any radio button that we want to use, and some person comment on that video he want to save data and forward to next screen. So I will told you how we can save data in any variable and forward it to next screen. So let's get start. I just simply create roughly a small project, and I just have to as this is the basic code that when we create our Flutter project, and that is what created by default. This is default project. I'll run it and show you. So the application is installed. So I will show you. I just simply make a list that is a default group value that I provided, and I create a new list that is created by dynamically. So how we can see how we can create dynamically. First of all, I create here text raise, select your gender, and the default style I provide, okay, that is font 20, and I set here const, and the size box is 20. So we just simply control as we see if there. Okay, so I have to give some padding at the top. I just provide also 20 at the top side, and cross axis alignment dot I set here center. So our text will gonna move start. Okay, just provide main axis size dot main axis alignment dot center. Okay, this is not moving at the center. So what if we need to set here text align. I just hit enter, text align center, and hopefully this will move automatically. Okay, so it's not moving, so we just simply wrap it into center. It will automatically move at the center. Okay, so our text is in center. So after that, I want to create dynamically radio button and select value and pass to another screen. So how we can do that? For that, I just simply call here another column, and it requires our children, but I set here main size dot main. The main size, it will take minimum space of that. It will take minimum space that we children we are provided. Let's suppose the children size is 20, so it will take only 20 size. If by default to the if it's a maximum more than 20, so it will take as the child space as per child. If we provide the main size dot max, so it will take it will try to take full size of the screen. So we don't need this brackets. I just dynamically generate. So for that, list dot generate, and provide here ls dot length. Okay, so after that we need to this is index that provide our value. So I use this, and I have to return radio list type, and the data I have here provide, that is map. The value is string, and the key is string type, and the value is dynamic. So I hit here enter. So look more visible, efficient, and it will you see it will automatically take group value, and we also have to need to provide it here value. Okay, so this my AI suggests me title. So hopefully this is there or some issue. Okay, so first of all I have to remove this. I don't need now, but I will change it. Okay, so it will suggest me oh, So first of all, we have to need to provide the value that we want, and we will provide the ls.index. It will take automatically value, and we can call here on change function the value and set state, and we will provide the group value that is called in set state. Okay, after that we need our title. Okay, there is closing brackets. Okay, so we don't need this comma, we just need for this semicolon, and we call set state. Okay, so we need here title. What's going on? I just have to these basic. First of all, change on change, I just have to remove this on change. Okay, so for that I no need a suggestion. Where is closing? Okay, so that's the missing thing. I just provide here and set semicolon. So a radio list style is closed. So why we need this list generate? Okay, that is column. That is this, and it will also suggest me this. This is list generate. So I will provide the text, ls index text and name. Okay, so where is the issue? The title, what's going on? Okay, add null check. Where is he used null check? Okay, so we need to provide default value like this, and we will provide the text style color, text style font size, and the group value dot var, the string. Okay, so I will not set here, it is default type empty. So why taking ls dot length. So if that is empty, then you can provide this. This is the null safety that we are using. So let's see how it's happening. As you see, male, female, it will automatically changes the value that we want. So what if I want to save data in some variable and pass to another screen? So first of all, we have used to debug print the group value. I control S again, and you see it will provide me the name and the value, but we have concern to related to value that we want. If you want to change some a change map as per your need, you can also. After that, we have to call a column. First of all, I copy this, the size box, and we need a button. Create elevated button or next screen. Hopefully this is work. So it will suggest me debug print on pressed group value, that is resetting. Okay, so as you see, I just simply restart it. Okay, so next button is here, that is printing the group value that we are selected, the default group value, and we have to just set okay, so male, female and other, we just have to need to set the default group value is selected. So for default group value, I just provided make it unnullable. If you see it declare the data type, and if that is value default, so default active value is ls0, and meanwhile the first index of the value. So if I have to change, as you see the value is changed and the value change, and I click next. Okay, so I think I'm not printing. Okay, debug print the group value, median group value. So I control S here, and it will, you see, median group value, it will provide me the group value. Okay, so we have to need to create a new screen, and that we used to display data, and I will create here display screen. Okay, so as usual, I used to need to import Flutter material and create stateless class. The name of class is selected value. Okay, so what we do, we need to remove this constructor and declare a value that is map string dynamic first of all I have to zoom in. Dynamic the group value. Okay, so I just provide this dot group value, as you can any variable that a variable name that you want to set, so you can set. So here I called scaffold app bar, so it will radially strike. Okay, I just change text to selected value and I will move to bottom body and I set here and print the value of name group value, that's the name we are selected, and create text file. Okay, so what's wrong with this? Okay, there are one bracket is missing. Okay, so I said this. So what we can do, we just need to call navigate it, create option that navigate to other screen. Okay, so it will wrote whole code, boiler code for me. I just no need for that. So I set here hit enter and we just need to import that and nothing more. It will automatically done for me. Okay, minimize it, I will show you code. So the main screen, this is default, that is written in Flutter demo home page like this, the title of that, and I create a list that is that containing a map value that is string, another is value also string, but I mostly set by dynamic. So there the values any type of different, when you are working with API you need to have to set here enums value that like 0 1 to 0 1 to like this. So select and we set this I dynamically generate by using a column this value and set the value and we will print up on next. So I just simply run it and we forward it on the next screen, the group value I forward it. Okay, so default value selected, I select here female and you see I set the female is visible here. If we select other and we set, you see other value. So this is the way that we can forward our selected radio list value on any screen or anywhere. If you are while using a state management or anything, that ever you want, easy for you. Thanks all guys, thanks for watching. If you person did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to watch this kind of video. Thank you.